Hi guys, Sandy Ingram here. Welcome. Two important topics today. A viewer questioned the channel about a $10 investment in real estate. There are two things you should know. I am a registered tax professional with the Department of Treasury. I can go to prison for lying to you. The second thing is, yes, the link is in the description, and the company will give you a monetary gift when you sign up to invest in real estate loans using this link. Now, you invest in groups with others, and the property is held as collateral. The channel believes this is a safer and faster way to realize profits than investing in equity share startups, which can take years to realize a profit. Yes, a $10 investment in real estate is not only true and correct, it is possible. Use the link in the description. Our next topic, Iraq is following in the recommendation of the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, and creating streams of income outside of the oil industry. The channel is happy to announce that Iraq, in partnership with Egypt, is exploring the idea of manufacturing cars. Now, there is a slight problem. The Minister of Industry said that as long as the anti-monopoly and competition law issued in 2010 is in effect, the industry will face some problems. We want to remember the bridges of communications, partnerships, and agreements with other Arab countries and nations comes because of the previous Prime Minister's efforts while in office.